Hi, my followers. Today we'll be taking one of the past questions for Waec 224. We are now in the series of 224. I'm starting with theory. An object projected at an angle to the ground level has a time of flight of 4 seconds. To move through still air, calculate the maximum height attained by the object. Then take our acceleration due to free fall as 10 meters per second square. Okay, very good. So we start from what is given. So here we were given for the question we have our time of flight in 4 seconds. The symbol for time of flight is T, 4 seconds. To the ground, and then all of this we have G given also 10 meters per second square. That's our acceleration due to gravity. Then we are to calculate our maximum height. Now, very quickly, the formula for maximum height is h. That h max of h equal to u square sine square theta divided by 2g. Okay, very good. Now, the parameters we need now to calculate our maximum height are the speed of the projectile, the angle, the angle of projection, and our g is always constant. Now, the angle isn't given, our speed isn't given. That means the possible way is use what is given to get what is not given. Now, but so let's call this an equation 1. So let's call this an equation 1. Let's not take much space. Now, the formula for time of flight is t equal to 2u sine theta divided by g. So let's also tag this equation 2. Now, we are given only time of flight as 4. Our time of flight is 4 seconds. So let's place this t with 4 and see what, and g with 10. We are going to say from this equation 2, t will be 4 equal to 2u sine theta divided by g is 10. G is 10, okay? Quickly, as fast as possible. To simplify anything further here, we cross multiply. So if we cross multiply, we are going to have something like 4 times 10 is 40 equal to 2u sine theta. Okay, let's proceed here to save our time and our space. Now, divide both sides by 2 to cancel 2 from standing here, or in a very simple way. Our aim is to make sine theta the subject of the formula. So divide both sides by 2u. So 40, the left hand side divides 2u. Right hand side, we are going to have 2u sine theta, 2u sine theta divided by 2u. So you see that from here, 2 will cancel out 2, u cancels out u. So our sine theta will be equal to 40 by 2 is 20. So then 20 divided by u. Okay, let's keep this here. Now, why this is very good, and now come back to equation 1. Our maximum height is u squared sine square theta. So now, my emphasis is on the sine square theta. Now, the meaning of sine square theta, let me quickly do something here. Now, to be good in physics to an extent, you need to be good in mathematics. You have to embrace math. This is trigonometry. So the meaning of this expression is sine theta raised to the power of 2. Good. So let's express that into this. Now, from this equation 1, our maximum height will become u squared sine square theta. Remember, our sine theta now is 220 all over u. So we are going to have times 20 all over u raised to the power of 2. Remember what I explained earlier before I cleaned. So all over 2g. Okay, so our maximum height will be equal to u squared multiplied by 20 squared. This square is for both 20 and u. 20 squared is 400. U is u squared. So u squared will cancel u squared divided by 2g. G is 10. That's 2 times 10. So 0 will go here. We have 40 divided by 2. Now quickly, that means our maximum height here is equal to 40 divided by 2. Divided by 2. So our maximum height is 20 meters. This is Waec 224 exam questions, the theory. Please feel free to like, share, and comment.